Welcome to UPA auction number 50. We have one or two very large lots in the auction and rather valuable. In particular, here is an India collection that we were asked to if we could do a video, which is a little bit unusual. We haven't done videos in the past, but we're always game to try. So here it is. We're going to put it onto YouTube, I believe. And this is auction lot number 20,065. It's estimated at £18,000. There's reserve is 80% of that figure, which is around about £14,400 from memory, and there's no buyer's premium. No buyer's premium. I have to check that reserve. 8 8s is 64, and 14,400 reserve. Okay, so it's a 61 volume collection formed over perhaps 60 years by one collector who's gone to remarkable lengths. Bear with us, the first minute or so of this video is a bit blurred. We couldn't get the macro setting right, but then it settles down and we're in business. Now, 61 volumes, it's India Empire only. So it starts Queen Victoria 1882 period and runs through unusually all the way through to around about 2000 and is it 6 or 7? It's in the description. 2008, I think. Now, it's a remarkable collection because there's value in the earlies. The collector has particularly worked hard on inverted watermarks. It's his speciality. There's very significant ranges of used with shades, postmarks, and possible varieties. And additionally, often there are matching mint examples, but usually in less quantity. There are very strong periods in the collection. Here we're being shown various definitives, but throughout the collection it's very strong and very detailed, but often this is not a collection that majors on high value rare stamps. It's a collection that majors at the bottom end in substantial detail and through to better stamps, watermark varieties, mint multiples in certain periods, like from memory the Jubilee period, inauguration, etc. No Gandhi whatsoever to speak of, so for people who are looking for Gandhi, I'm sorry, this is not the right place. However, this collection goes through to around about 2008. It's quite remarkable because the last 28 years of the collection from 1980 onwards, if you take a look on eBay, oh, there's some high values, by the way, going through, but they're not the highest values, but they're medium. It's remarkable because if you look on eBay and do a search for India from 1980 onwards for the last 28 years through to 2008 or so, you try finding the material. There's hardly anything there. Then make some further research. Check the catalogue prices. The catalogue prices by Gibbons are very low indeed. Then a bit more research and you find that by the Filler Guide catalogue, the specialised India catalogue produced in India, the quantities printed of some of that material from 1980 onwards are absolutely minute. By comparison with a country like China, for example, where they printed, I believe, 5 million monkeys, that monkey stamp sells for £1,000 each. We've got stamps here from India from the same period produced in minuscule quantity against 5 million with catalogue prices only of a few pounds. What I'm really saying is there's a lot of potential in this collection, and there's certain areas of the collection which in our opinion you just do not find it. It's on, you look on eBay, there's just nothing there to be seen. It's a valuable collection, it needs to be seen, so this really is a collection for you to come and view. We only have 2 lots in the auction which are for viewing in this auction. That's this India collection, 61 volumes at £18,000 estimates. Remember, there's no buyer's premium. And we also have a £25,000 complete shop stock formed over 40 years of a shop stock which has unfortunately closed down in the past few months. A fabulous collection, this India. Do come and have a look, give us a buzz, ask us more about it. We'll talk you through it, no problem whatsoever. And we'd be delighted by appointment only to welcome somebody to come and have a look. Remember, there's no buyer's premium It will also be offered live on the internet on Wednesday the 10th of July around about 5 o'clock, so that you can see exactly what's happening, and you can also bid online live immediately if you've registered to bid in advance at thesaleroom.com. Thank you. Give us a buzz if there's any problems. I'm Andrew, I'm the Managing Director of UPA, and Becky and Shelley, courtesy, have produced this superb video, first one of many I expect. Thank you very much for listening.